Welcome back to the Rosen Demo Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you, I'm going to do another technique for you in baking, and I'm going to do a quick bread. And for this, I use the muffin recipe, which is a muffin mixing method. Okay, so we're going to start out. We need to sift our ingredients. We're going to sift them into this bowl. I have all-purpose flour. I have sugar. I'm going to go ahead and add the salt and the baking powder. My next step is going to be to do the wet ingredients. And for the wet ingredients, we have the milk, an egg, and some oil. And we're going to whisk these two together. Now, the important part about this now is that I need to make a well in the center, okay? All the way around. I'll make a little circle here. I'm going to add the wet ingredients straight into the center, okay, as you can see here, okay? Now I'm going to drag the sides in gradually, okay? Don't want to overmix this. If you overmix this, you're going to get tunneling in it, and the muffins will be really tough. It should have some chunks in it, you know, it's okay. It's best to do this by hand instead of a mixer. The mixer, it's a little too hard, okay, which makes them tough. So those lumps are okay. And I chose blueberry muffins today. So now's when you add blueberries, and you're going to have to gently fold these in, okay? We'll take these over, and we have our muffin liners here. When filling your muffins up, you only want to go 3/4 of the way up within the muffin liners themselves. You want to leave room for the cap to come up. Have an oven preheated at 400 degrees. And that's perfect. Okay, I'll have these in a 400-degree oven until the caps are golden brown. And so they came out of the oven, they came out perfect. Look, nice golden brown cap on top. I'll let them properly cool. Nice and moist on the inside, see how light and fluffy. Don't overmix. It's really important not to overmix them. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video today, and I'll see you again soon.